There's an extremely mysterious and bizarre area on Earth. Not only is there no land within thousands of kilometers, there are even mysterious noises from the bottom of the ocean that sound like giant animals. This is the far end of the ocean, Point Nemo. And how scary is it? Point Nemo was first discovered in 1992 by a Canadian surveyor, Luca Tella. It's located in the center of the southern Pacific Ocean, surrounded by 3 islands. Because the nearest land is 2,600 kilometers away, so few people have ever been here. It's also known as the loneliest place in the world, and the environment here is extremely harsh. Point Nemo is situated in a fault zone between continental plates, which makes it a place of great geological activity, and according to oceanographers, Point Nemo is also at the center of the sea surrounded by the South Pacific Gyre. That makes it very difficult for the nutrient-rich ocean currents to flow into Point Nemo. And as a result, there's almost no organic matter in the waters around Point Nemo. Theoretically, it would be very difficult for life to exist at Point Nemo under these extreme conditions. That's why Point Nemo is the preferred crash site for spacecraft. According to statistics, Point Nemo has buried the wreckage of over 300 spacecraft. That's why it's also known as the spacecraft graveyard. But this almost forgotten place has been shrouded in mystery due to an extremely bizarre incident. Back in 1997, when scientists used an underwater listening system to study the waters off Point Nemo, they captured a very loud sound with a volume of 180 decibels. And it was different from the sounds of whales, earthquakes, and underwater volcanic eruptions. It's stronger than the largest blue whale in the world can produce. The sound travels over a distance of 5,000 kilometers. The news prompted a number of research teams to investigate. At first, they thought the sound was made by a large ship, but then they sifted through the data and found that no ships had passed Point Nemo that day. And the area around it is not a blue whale area. So what could be sending out such a strong signal? What's even stranger is that the sound never came back. Even after years of field work by the research team, they never found anything. So scientists came up with a scary hypothesis that there may be a prehistoric beast, undiscovered by mankind, living at the bottom of Point Nemo. It doesn't sound like any other animal we know of, and based on the strength of the signal, it's estimated that this mysterious creature is about 50 meters in size, the size of 2 blue whales. It wasn't until 2005 that scientists were able to compare the sounds of the creature. They finally revealed that the mysterious sound of Point Nemo was not the work of a prehistoric beast, but the sound of a glacier breaking up. By now, although the incident of Point Nemo's strange sound has been solved, the rumors about Point Nemo's sea monster are still circulating. You know, mankind has only explored 5% of the entire ocean. Perhaps deep beneath the sea, of the ocean floor, there may be a terrifying species that humans have yet to discover.